In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scrolling blocks in Squarespace. Whether you're aiming to elevate the design aesthetics of your website or add a touch of dynamism, learning to utilize scrolling blocks can significantly enhance the user experience. Let's get started by opening Squarespace and making sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home page. Here, navigating to your profile is the next step. You'll want to direct your attention to the left bottom corner of your screen and click your profile icon. Doing so will reveal a list of websites associated with your account. From this list, select the specific website you want to work on today. Once you've made your selection, proceed to enter editing mode by clicking the Edit button. Now that you're in the editing interface, it's time to add a new section to your page. Look for the option that says Add Section and give it a click. This sets the stage for adding dynamic content to your page. Within your newly added section, there's an option to Add Block. Clicking here will present you with various block types that you can utilize. Among those options, look for and select Scrolling. This is the magic ingredient for bringing scrolling text or images into play. Double-clicking the scrolling block brings up the customization panel. This is where you can add the textual content that will scroll across your screen. Whether it's a catchy headline or important updates, this feature is perfect for catching your visitors' attention. Additionally, just under the text field, you have options to insert new items or remove existing ones, providing flexibility if you need to shuffle your content around or streamline its presentation. Now, with your scrolling block and content in place, it's time to fine-tune its design to perfectly match your website's theme. Click on Design to customize the visual aspects of your scrolling block. Here, you can adjust wave intensity and width, which dictate how pronounced and wide the scrolling effect appears. Consider experimenting with text style and size to enhance readability. The block's direction and speed can also be modified, allowing the scrolling to match the pace that suits your audience. Further refinement is possible with options to enable pause on hover or add a fade edges effect, both of which can add an interactive charm. Don't overlook the item spacing option, which provides control over how spaced out your content items appear within the block. With these options, you can create a seamless scrolling experience that is both dynamic and engaging. Once you're pleased with how everything looks and performs, the final step is to save your changes. Click the Save button to ensure all your hard work is preserved and ready to be admired on your live site. And there you have it, a beautifully integrated scrolling block ready to take your Squarespace site to the next level.